Hello! Welcome everyone to my Chinese friends and all my viewers that are Filipino Chinese. I would want to greet you a happy Chinese New Year. So, 恭喜发财, 恭喜发财. So for everyone, as we know, the Chinese community is celebrating with us their Chinese New Year this year. So I would like to present to you a special house here located in Quezon City, very near Sampaloc, Manila. As you can see, this is a modern, elegant, two-story townhouse unit, minimalist and yet elderly friendly. So makikita nyo, napaka-spacious po ng daan. Yan. Tapos madali lang siyang akyatin kasi the problem sometimes with elderly, they find it difficult to umakyat sa stairs dahil nga may edad na po, 'di ba? So, this is perfect for you. Two-story lang po siya with a lot area of 80 square meters, a floor area of 160 square meters. With 4 bedrooms, 1 located downstairs and the 3 here upstairs, 3 bathrooms and 1 car garage. So, pasok po tayo. This is the garage. So, napakatibay po ng ating gate. Elevated na rin po yung ating street para po sa in case na mag-increase po ng height po yung ating floor, concrete roads po by the government. So as you can see, pasensya na po, medyo finishing stage lang po yung ating unit. Pinupull out na po yung mga gamit. Napakalapad. This is a 4-meter frontage. So kahit yung sasakyan nyo is a Land Cruiser or panasasakyan, kasyang-kasya po. So yung width po niya, perfect po para sa mahahabang sasakyan. So, yon, pasok po tayo. So, dito naman po, ito yung tinatawag nating elderly bedroom. So, lot of my clients have been searching for a house that could fit their elderly, their grandmother, their grandfather, even their parents who are old enough na nahihirapan na po umakyat ng stairs. This would be a perfect room for them. Pwede rin po siyang option as an office. So, makikita nyo, no? Pwede kayo mag-transact ng business dito, a clinic. The possibilities are endless po. Yan. So, spacious lang siya, blank canvas. You could design it on your own. Ayan po yung lagayan ng aircon niya. So, pwede pong split type po dyan. Ito naman po sa area na to, ito po yung ating living room area. So, yan, kasunod lang po. Tapos, middle po yung stairs. So, kapag middle po ang stairs, usually malalaki po ang ating mga rooms. Hindi po nasa-sacrifice or naka-compromise ang ating mga rooms. Open concept, yung ilalim po yan, actually pwede yung designan ng storage area para ma-cover po yung empty space na yan. And let me bring you here sa ating dining area. So, napaka-spacious po. Yan. You could put an 8-seater table here, a round or a rectangle one, para sa inyong buong family. So, this is 80 square meters. 4 meters nga yung frontage and the depth is a whooping 20 meters. So, kaya napakalaki at spacious ng area. Kapag naririto kayo, kagaya ko, maririnig nyo at ma-feel nyo yung wind from a good ventilation from this area. So, dito naman po sa ating kitchen, ang ating countertop po is made of granite. So, combination of brown, beige and black pepper style na ating granite. So, ating mga modular cabinets here. Yan. 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 So, simple yet functional po. So, dito naman po sa ating laundry area and airwell as well. So, makikita nyo napakalaki. This is the outlet for your washing machine. Yan. Pwede rin pong dirty kitchen tong area na to. Ito po yung pang washing machine dahil may faucet. So, all throughout, makikita nyo, merong cover po ng skylight dyan para maliwanag kahit hindi po magbukas ng ilaw. And here is the utility bathroom. Bathroom number 1 here at the ground floor. So makikita nyo, complete with lavatory, water closet, and overhead shower na rin po. So, this unit has 3 bathrooms. Here, meron pong isa, meron po sa master's bedroom at isang common bathroom on the 2nd floor. So, lika, akyat po tayo dito. So, itong ating staircase is made up of steel. So, napakatibay po niya. Overlaid with tangili wood handles and wood planks here. Yeah. So, comfortable, hindi mahirap akyatin. Safe na safe para sa mga anak natin. And to elderly, makakaakyat din po yung ating elderly, hindi po hirap. This is the hallway area or the open space here sa 2nd floor. Actually, pwede pa kayong maglagay po ng dito po, pwede po pang maglagay ng computer table, study area. Yan. Dito naman po yung ating airwell and ventilation. Continuous po siya. Kaya po mahangin at well-lighted po yung ating unit. So, pag-akyat po natin ng stairs, so makikita nyo itong middle room natin. Yan, pasok po tayo. Yan. So, ang air conditioning unit po niyan is pwedeng connected po sa ating master's bedroom. And then, meron din pong airwell ventilation dito on the side with their jalousie window. Spacious po siya, kasya po ang double bed para sa ating mga kids. Yan. Tayo ngayon sa ating master's bedroom. Adjacent lang po siya sa ating middle room. So, makikita nyo, napaka-spacious. King-size bed would definitely fit this area. So, meron na rin siyang ensuite toilet and bath. Here. Yan. So, comfortable po yung size ng ating bathroom. Yan. Nasa grayish, ano po siya, color. And ito po ang ating balcony. Yan. So, makikita nyo, stainless 304 po yung ating railings and painted metal po naman dito. So, sarap lang. Sarap mag-relax. So, may mga wires po siya, pero malayo. These are all only telephone wires. So, safe na safe po para sa ating mga tudungaw po dito. So, kung makikita nyo, at this time, napakatahimik po. Even at night time, this would be the ambience ng area to. So, punta na po tayo sa last bedroom and bathroom of this unit. Okay, ito naman po ang ating common bathroom dito sa second floor. This would be utilized for both the middle room and the end room po sa second floor. So, dito po sa end room, yan. So, kung ang hanap nyo po ay malaki po, spacious, this is the right unit for you. Yan o. Meron pong magandang ventilation and lighting. Yan. So, blank canvas lang po, kayo na pong mag-design, pwede nyo pong ipa-interior. Basta ang mahalaga po dito sa concept ng owner ng unit na to, spacious. Diba? Spacious, elderly-friendly, safe. That's what we look for in a house. So, kayo na pong bahalang mag-elevate according to your preferences and design. What are you waiting for? This is the last unit. Actually, this is the last unit ng property. 3 units po siya, pero last na tong middle unit na binavlog ko. So, for all of our friends out there, so again, I would like to greet you a Happy Chinese New Year, 新年快乐. So, what are you waiting for this Year of the Dragon? It's best time to invest for properties. Actually, ang properties is the best investment you could have. Kasi aside sa hindi siya nagde-depreciate, patuloy na nag-i-increase po yung value niya from year to year. And you could pass it on for your generation and the next generations to come. Actually, itong townhouse units po ay TCT, Transfer Certificate of Title. So, sa inyo na po yung house and lot. So, yun yung isa sa mga benefit. So, why don't you invest your hard-earned money in this property? So, this is Nancy Shaw Guerrero, your licensed real estate broker and appraiser, ready to assist you and to match you to your perfect house investment this year. Maybe this house will be yours this 2024. Sabi nga nila, mapalad po yung makaka-invest ngayon. Kasi nga, rising po yung prices each year, di ba? Due to inflationary increases. So, just give me a call or message me and I'll be willing to assist you. Together with my real estate team, we could give you a house tour and assist you with all your concerns and needs. Thank you very much for your support and concern. So, salamat. So, 大家好，谢谢你们的支持 Okay? As your licensed real estate broker and appraiser. Thank you to all my clients who have been patronizing my properties, the properties that I sell. Thank you for your trust and your confidence. Truly, your investments are really worth it. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. 大家好。